Hello there, Royal Family. I wanted to give a quick freebie Friday, and today we're going to be making a nice light snack. We're going to roast some pumpkin seeds. So last night I got a pumpkin and I carved it in half, or cut it in half, and gutted it. And when you gut it, it is a little bit moist, and all I did was separate the seeds from the pumpkin. And I did put them in the fridge overnight in a small container just because I didn't want to get to this yet. But I just rinsed them, and so all I'm going to do next is roast them. I have a convection oven here. You can also put it in a regular oven. So all you need is a nice sizable pumpkin. This will make for a nice light snack if you want something like instead of chips. Pumpkin is also great, and since it's only available one time a year, I think this would be a nice little treat for yourself for this time of year. So I have the seeds here. I'm going to put them on our foil. Lightly seasoned with sea salt. And we'll be back when they're nice and golden. And we're all done. Our pumpkin seeds are ready. In Belize, in Garifuna, we call them pepitos. And I think in Spanish, they're called pepitas. So whether you call them pumpkin seeds, pepitos, pepitas, you can have these as an amazing snack. Season them as you will. And they're completely healthy. I do want to say that I did add a light, literally some finger drops of coconut oil just to prevent them from sticking. You can use any other oil you would like. If you have walnut oil, avocado oil, grapeseed oil. But this is the final product. So I hope you enjoyed. Go and make your delicious snack. Let me know how you season them. And we'll be back next Friday, inshallah, with another Freebie Friday video. Stay magical always.